going on, everybody? We got some goodies in the mail today, so we're going to open them up and put them on the bike in this video. These are both from HogWorkz. These are LED turn signals for the rear of the bike. I already have them on the front with the halos in them. When we put this stuff on the bike here in a little bit, I'll show you the ones that are on the front. And then the other thing we got is a headlight. Pretty excited about that. Even got a cool sticker. So that's the headlight. It's pretty sweet looking. I think that's going to be nice and bright, and it's got the halo ring in it too. I'm excited to see how much brighter that's going to be than the stock light. You got the light, harness adapter maybe. A new bezel for the front looks like, or a bracket for the back of it, something. Yeah, that's a new bracket for the back. So that's pretty cool. So I'm excited to see what that stuff looks like. The other thing we got, this will be in a separate video, us using this thing. This came from Harley. Cable. And a Screamin Eagle tuner. It's called their street tuner. I'm just looking here to make sure it's what we need. Yeah, 07 and later soft tail touring, and 17 and later trike models. So yeah, this is what we need for ours. I'm pretty excited to use this too. See how much different this makes the bike and riding it. Well, look at that. We got a sticker out of these guys too. Gotta love stickers. This makes you feel better about a purchase when you get a sticker with it. I don't know why, but I mean, I know the sticker's 3 cents, but just something that feels good about getting a sticker in the box. So there's our little Pro Street tuner. From what I've read about these, you don't have to leave this on the bike. Basically, you download whatever tune you want to put on the bike in this, plug this into the bike, it transfers it from here to the bike, and then you can take this back off. So I'm excited to get into that and see what that does for us. So for now, like I said, that'll be in a different video. But for now, let's get cracking on these lights. All right, so to give you an idea of what the lights look like so far, I've already got an LED bulb in the stoplight there on the back. So that's what the current lights look like. Turn on the 4-ways here. So that's what they look like now. But we'll see how much of a change we've got after the LEDs are installed. Should be pretty much a plug and play thing on these LED turn signals for the rear. Yeah, so they're just a flat bunch of LEDs with a smoke lens that go over them. It plugs into the factory 1156 bulb receptacle. And then the lenses are just smoked lenses. Pretty nice looking. Want that to pop off of there on the road somewhere. All right, so I'm going to turn the 4-ways back on now that I got one of them in there, just to kind of see the difference in. So you can see it's blinking at a different rate than the other one, but it is quite a bit brighter. I don't know if I can get you guys down here kind of in front of them and see. All right, so we'll switch out the other one and we'll move on to the headlight. Really quick to switch these things out, literally. That's all you gotta do is take the bulb out and put the new one in. You're watching me here and it ain't taking 30 seconds per light. These seem to be pretty good quality. It's got like a resin over the back here where all the doodads are for the LED stuff. In case you can hear that banging, it's not gunshots. I'm getting a roof put on my patio out back of my house. So that's what that sound is a nail gun. All right, there they are. Let's see what they look like together now. Not bad. That's quite a bit brighter when you add the brake light into it. Got quite a bit of light back there. That's great. Got these lights from HogWorkz. I don't remember how much they were. Right around 80 bucks, I think, give or take, which is cheaper than the Harley versions. Like I said a minute ago, I got the Harley versions on the front, and I'll show you those here in a second. They were, I don't remember, right around the time I bought them. I think they were like 120 bucks or something for the dealership. So they're nice. So they got the halo in them, like I say. So I'll bring you up here and show you those. So this is what they look like, not on. Where the other ones were amber lenses, these are kind of clear. And then when you've got them on, you've got the white halos in them, kind of like a driving light. When you turn the turn signal on, they flash amber. It's flashing faster because of the LEDs in the rear now, which isn't a problem. I mean, it still blinks and it kind of gets your attention, I think, just as good, if not a little bit better, with it flashing fast versus flashing at the normal speed. So that's those. We'll get the headlight changed out, get that new unit in. So there's the bird's nest I'm talking. Okay, so we got that back on there. I'm going to leave this outside trim ring off for right now because after dark, I'm going to have to adjust the headlight, right? All right, we got it all back together. Believe it or not, the hardest part of this whole process was getting the screw back down here in the bottom for that trim ring. Like I said a minute ago, I'm going to leave it right there until later tonight when I can take it out after dark and wood. That definitely helps them get noticed by YouTube's algorithm, lets other people see them. And it'll really help me out a lot in building the channel. So if you think of a video you'd like to see or a subject you'd like me to work on, please put it in the comments and we'll get going on it. Thank you very much and have a great day.